Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making something with sour cream. Now, if you've ever had some leftover sour cream and you just don't know what to do with it, you can make buttercream, sour cream buttercream. Now, I'm not saying it's all sour cream because too much sour cream is maybe too much of a good thing, but a little bit of sour cream can really enrich your buttercream and make it that much more special. You can put it on your cupcakes, on your cakes, on banana bread, date nut bread, anything you want, muffins, and it's very easy to make. But before we get started, I'd like you to click that notification button. I want you to become a subscriber so you don't miss any of my tips or videos because I really want you to come and visit with me on my videos. All right, I have my electric mixer, half a cup of sour cream. That's all I had left. And I said, you know what? I'm making some buttercream. So 2 sticks of room temperature, nice and softened, unsalted butter goes right into our mixer, along with our half a cup of sour cream. Put it right in there. We're going to be using our paddle attachment. Oop, I do a lot of banging. And I have 2 teaspoons of vanilla, pure vanilla extract, that is, the good stuff. Now in the wings, I have a little milk. I haven't measured it out yet. I could be using 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon, more than that. It depends on what I need and how thick I want my frosting. So the first thing I want to do is I want to get this going so that the sour cream and the butter sort of get jiggy with each other and they get all blended homogeneously. And then I have 6 cups of confectioner's sugar, a big bowl of confectioner's sugar. This is about 1.5 pounds of confectioner's sugar. If it is lumpy, put it through a sieve. Sometimes when it settles in the store before you buy it, it can get a little lumpy. Most confectioner's sugars have a natural cornstarch that they put in there when they process it, so it doesn't get lumpy, but over time, sometimes it can. So just a little trick, note to self, put it through a sieve if it is a little lumpy. Now on low speed, I'm gonna add my confectioner's sugar, 1 big tablespoon at a time. If it gets super stiff, that's where the milk comes in, folks. We're gonna add as much milk as we need to get it to thin out so it's of spreadable consistency. Whether you're making the cupcakes or you're making cake or whatever you're making. Cookies, this would be awesome on cookies. And don't put your face right over the mixer. You can end up getting a little backlash from that sugar. All right, keep going. It's still mixing in beautifully because of that butter and that sour cream. All right, keep it on low speed. You don't want death by confectioner's sugar sucking that into your lungs. Okay, so get that in there. I could think of worse ways to die, right? Death by confectioner's sugar. And it's getting nice and smooth and creamy, which is how we like our frostings. This is just a little something different that if you happen to have leftovers and you have no use for it, why not? Why not put it to good use? All right. My grandmother used to have a little sour cream and a banana sometimes for lunch. That's how she used up her extra sour cream. Instead of yogurt, she was ahead of her time. Instead of yogurt, she would have a little sour cream. All right, now you may not need the milk at all, but you may need a little bit. So that's why I just have a tablespoon, measuring spoon, and a little bit of milk. I probably have about maybe 1/4 cup there. I'm probably not going to use it all. I'm going to show you what this is like after. We're almost at the end. Almost at the end of our sugar. It took a while. And don't dump it in all at once. Let it mix in a little. You know, by the time you get the next spoonful, it's time to add the next. All right, so just get that in there. All right. All right. All right. The other thing is when you're measuring, whether you're weighing or measuring your confectioner sugar, sometimes it packs down a little. So the milk sort of gives you some leeway. So if it does get a little thick, you will, oh, this is nice. Look. Holds up. It's nice. Now, this would be perfect for a cake, but if you want it just a tad thinner for spreading, I might just go ahead. I'm just going to go around the edges where I see a little bit of confectioner sugar. I might just add maybe a couple teaspoons to a tablespoon of milk, but it's lovely. It's lovely. All right. I'm just going to put that in there. And just let that blend in. This is a luscious, easy to do frosting for anything you need. Something quick, you got a little sour cream, go for it. All right, I think we're there. I think we're there. Oh yeah. And I have quite a few buttercreams on videos and on my website. This is lovely. Look at this. Lovely. So I hope you make this beautiful, beautiful sour cream buttercream. I hope you frost everything in your kitchen with it because it's delicious. I hope you become a subscriber. Till next time.